What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I'm back down in beautiful sunny Virginia. Figure I'd give you a quick garden tour, show you how the progress of the cinder block raised garden bed's looking. So here's the strawberry patch. They're looking pretty good. We go ahead and we've been picking some off as soon as we kind of came down. Oh, looks like there's... Yeah, I'll leave it on just for a little longer. So, yeah, this is going really well. We got some squash, pepper, tomato. As we start coming around, cucumbers. Check out that. We're gonna harvest this guy up today. More tomatoes, squash. Might let him go for another day or two. He's got zucchini. Here's a nice zucchini. I'll get ready to harvest that. Kale. Another squash plant. The beans we ended up planting, they weren't pole beans, they were actually bush beans, so they didn't use little trellis. Got more tomatoes, and already started pruning to remove the lower leaves. And a few more tomato plants. So yeah, this is a Chinese hibiscus tree. Very nice flower. Over here was the new little strawberry patch that we did. I guess the compost that we used had some either viable seeds or clippings in it. So he's got some other plants growing in there. So yeah, this is from the taro, elephant ears, some people call it. We got some carrots that we sowed in a grow bag the last time I was down. It's super hot down here, so I don't know if they're really going to get too much bigger. And the last time I was down in April, we did some onions in a grow bag. They were onion sets, so they already had a small bulb forming. And check out this one. So hopefully while I'm down, we can go ahead and have some fresh onion. And then we have pear tree. The other pear. Kind of happy with how this one is shaping up. This is a peach. So we'll have to figure out, we only want 3 to 5 branches on it, but they are all kind of pointing out in different directions, which is a good thing. This peach did not do as good of a job, so we're going to have to trim off some of these branches so it can focus that energy on just a few branches poking out. Unfortunately, my brother got a new tractor and ended up dinging this poor guy. So I'm hoping we can go ahead, maybe restake them and allow them to continue to grow. We'll keep an eye on it. And then finally the other apple tree. Okay, so you can just twist it, but because I have my pruners, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a little snip. Cut that right off. That's a beautiful looking cucumber. There we go. Thanks for coming along, checking this out. Everybody have a great day. Here's a little hibiscus. While I'm down, we have another garden bed to install. We're still trying to figure out. I think we're going right next to it, but we may remove a section and build almost like a L